My 2020 rig, part two. Part one was everything inside the boat. Part two is going to be everything outside the boat. This is a really special boat. I run a Ranger Z21 and this is my 20th Ranger. So to be able to run a boat like that for 20 years is pretty special. Hopefully run it for the next 20 years. But just going around here, tandem axle trailer, that's right here. Get a lot of questions. Parking brake. I don't have to scotch the tire. Fortunate enough to run the same wrap as last year, Falcon Garmin wrap. Mercury Pro XS 250. This is my second engine. People that haven't run this, it has a lot of power and it's really, really responsive is the best way I know how to explain it, and super, super quiet. So got the TH Marine steer stops here, keeps the engine straight going down the road, pop it in, pop it out. 10-inch Atlas jack plate. Everybody knows I like to fish shallow. That gets me in and out of those shallow water sloughs without having to do a lot of idling. Twin power poles. I think it was 12 years ago I fished my first professional tournament and I had one, and I thought I was the coolest kid in class. And one is good, but two is great. And couldn't imagine fishing without those. 23 3-blade Fury. My experience, that's the best all-around prop for this engine. So something here that's kind of cool is I'm running a live scope on the back of the boat this year. I've a couple of buddies and I kind of built this bracket here to hold it. So I'm still playing with that, and I've been on the water twice, and it's really, really cool. In the back, I run a GT30 and a GT34 that supplies the 8600 Garmin's for side view and clear view. Working our way around, we've already covered everything inside. Something new that I haven't had on my boat is the Easy Step. It mounts to 90% of the boats. It's got lights on it, so when I get to the ramp early in the morning, come out late at night, you know, it's a lot safer. I can get in and out of my boat a lot easier. So I think that pretty much wraps up my 2020 rig.